All right, hello everybody. In this special holiday edition, me and my elf Colin are gonna do chocolate. So I tried to find a healthy chocolate recipe and with some funky ingredients that I had. And I found those little molds that are super fun. I did back in the days like a chocolate cooking class, I suppose, and they're Christmas molds, so I'm sure you can order some on Amazon. So I figured let's find a chocolate recipe that we can use. We have one viewer, yay! Okay, so I'm gonna put the recipe in the comments below. I found it on the internet and now I can't remember the name of anything, but basically what it asks for, it's cocoa butter, and I happen to have ordered some a little bit by mistake, but a friend of mine told me to get some of those. So cocoa butter, I'll show you what it looks like. Can you deal with the pop things? Okay, it's like these big chunks. It looks like butter, but it smells like chocolate. Smell. No, but you can't eat it. That's the thing. It tastes really bad. Well, I don't know. Taste it and tell us what you think. So they say to grind this, but when you grind it, it makes this huge mess. See, it's not, right? It's not good. It smells like butter, it smells like chocolate, but it's not good. But apparently it's a good thing for you. So cocoa butter is what we found, a cup. It says to grate it, and I tried to grate it and it flew everywhere and made a giant mess, so I just dumped it as a chunk in a bain-marie. Corinne, what's a bain-marie?
I have no idea.
So a bain-marie is when you boil some water and you put ceramic dishpan on top. So there's heat, but not direct heat. So I melted it in advance because I thought it would take a long time, but it didn't. So you melt 1 cup of cocoa butter. It's pretty simple. So we have the cocoa butter here. And so it just looks basically just like melted butter. So cocoa butter, and then we add, can you deal with the dog please, Chloe? Please, Snowy, come. And then we add cocoa powder. So I got this one, you can add it. You add the powder. Oh no, you add the sugar first. So this is maple syrup. So 5 tablespoons. Shoot. Okay, just add it, okay?
Yeah. How
Add
much?
this
The
to
whole
that.
thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. Okay, deal with the dog. Can you put it out?
Why is it so liquidy?
Well, it's the maple syrup. Yeah, why is it so liquidy? We don't know. Anyway, the sugar in this is going to be maple syrup. Add the now mix it and then add the cocoa powder. So it's literally cocoa butter, maple syrup, cocoa powder. So I got this. It says organic cocoa powder, but you can, I order all this online. I'm sure you can order it like any cocoa powder, basically, it's fine. And then the fun part of this, so we melt it, put it all together, and then you put it in your little,
all of this?
Yeah, but little by little, I suppose. You wash your hands, right?
Yes, I want
Okay. So you put it in this or in baby muffin cups. So if you have those little, a little muffin, baby muffin cups, you can put it in there, and then the fun part is you can decorate them. And my initial idea with all this was to make these, because there's 2 dozen, and then put them in like Advent calendar. Oh my god, the dog is so ridiculous. He's so ridiculous. Come here.
Chloe, deal with the dog.
Okay, show people what you're doing. I'll give the dog a treat. Come.
I feel like we need more cocoa powder, Mom.
Really?
It looks really liquidy.
Oh. It does look really liquidy. Did we put liquid stuff? I think so. So let's see. Well, I think it's gonna... So this looks really liquidy. It says it's supposed to become creamy. I think it's because it's like liquid butter. Kind of when you put it back together, it goes like this. Okay. Oh, then we need vanilla. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Je sais, baby, come and go. You always get most of your viewers after the show. And a pinch of sea salt. Pinch of sea salt. Okay, so that's gonna be that, and then
Can I put a lot of sea salt?
well, you can sprinkle it on top, I suppose. So this looks really liquidy, but we're gonna try it. So yeah, maybe we messed up we'll take photos after, okay? So the trick is, now this is gonna be messy. Let's put this in there. You pour this apparently in your little tray, and then the fun part is gonna be to decorate them. Oh, schnut. It's hard. We're not gonna win a prize for... Well, do you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, you try this, I'll start decorating. Try to pour it right in the thingy. But like this way, so I can... Okay, so then the fun part is to decorate it. So I have cocoa nibs, cacao nibs, that are just broken down cacao that you can kind of put on top to make it crunchy. The other thing, what else do we have for the chocolates?
On an angle, Mom.
It's on an angle. What else do we have? We have, oh, the candy cane. What did you do for the candy canes?
What do you mean?
You crushed them. So we've taken some candy canes and crushed them in a Ziploc bag, and then I have goji berries just to be super healthy. And shredded coconut. So we're gonna sprinkle those.
We're putting coconut on chocolate?
No, that's the idea, is you decorate it the way that you want it. I'll do my side, you do your side. So if you don't have the molds, or if you don't have any of this, actually, you can just melt dark chocolate, like good quality dark chocolate in a bain-marie, like we talked earlier, like boiling water in the ceramic bowl. And the fun part is to put it into little molds if you have them, or the baby muffin tray cups. And then you can decorate it with, oh, that's really good. Okay, you focus on this one. So now you pour this thing, and then I'm gonna put some, okay, so a couple of them with goji berries because it's funny. And why is it funny? Because it's the holidays and it's red.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough.
No, but that's my side. So you do your side like the way you want it. I'll give it to my healthy friends. Okay, let's taste it. You taste it. Oh, it's actually really good. Like you wouldn't think it'd be really good. Okay, this is good. All right, I'm gonna put coconut on mine. Then then you put them in the fridge, and they say that they last kind of better in the fridge, so don't put them in your pockets when you go running like I do, and they melt all in your pockets. Oh, they're not that pretty. You have to make yours prettier. Oh. Alright, we're not supposed to lick our fingers and stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, yours are really good. Okay, so you go and decorate those with your stuff. Here. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so once they're done, I have to stop licking it. It's actually really good. Once they're done, you put them in the fridge and you let them cool down, and then you pop them out of the little molds. And oh, you know what we should have done? We should have put the toppings at the bottom of the molds and then put the chocolate, so we would have popped them out and the decoration would have been on top of the nice bit. Okay, we'll have to like try it again anyways. Oh, let's make some super big ones too. Or like that or something. So that was the other thing they were suggesting, to take these little molds. Hi, we're doing Christmas chocolates. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Je vais essayer, passe-moi ça. This is a liquid chocolate. It tastes so good. It really, really does. I can't stop eating it actually. Well, it's a bit bitter because it's real cocoa and everything. So the other thing you can do is pour it like this. I forgot to put the toppings in. Oh wow. Oh wow, yours look really good.
Of course they do.
So this is a way to do chocolates that's like kind of healthy chocolate too. And yeah, then you put them in the fridge and then you're done. I guess the only hard part is to find the ingredients and not to burn the chocolate. I've used like just dark chocolate bars before, and then I melted them in the microwave, and that was okay. I'll let, too bad Chloe's not there. She could lick this. Okay, so our toppings, I put my healthy topping. I'll try to make more of an effort to make these cute. That's the thing. So, whoa, you're loading those. Okay, so I'm making the healthy version and Colin's making the kids version. Okay, now try to find a safe spot in the fridge so we're not gonna tip them over.
Sure.
That's it.
Is there nuts in there?
There's nuts. Yeah, well, no, because I gave them to the hamster because they were not super yummy. They smell weird. Let's not do nuts. Plus, it's bad for school. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna put those in the fridge. We're gonna pop them out. I'll put the photos below, and I'll put the link to this new website I found that I can't remember the name, but it's really interesting because there's healthy recipes. And what's good about it is that you can flip the portions that you want. So if you want to make this recipe makes for 13 servings, but we definitely have more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have like 2 dozen plus those big ones. C'est bon, hein? See, for a healthy chocolate, it's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, we get the approval of the kid. So, and then on the website, you can spin this little icon to see if you want more or less, and then it changes all the quantities for you automatically. So if you want to double the recipe, it doubles it. So I'll make sure to put the link and show you the photos, and then we have kids approved healthy Christmas chocolate. Say bye. Say bye.